Hi friend, welcome to S&D Innovations. In this video I'll show you about view meter because I have completed the last build. Now it is complete and the total body is made of aluminum and the finishing touch is also given. You can see it here, it is almost looking very amazing. It also consists of 3 magnets to stick at any metal surface. So let's see it how it works. If you want to build this type of view meter, you can see my previous videos which has already been uploaded in YouTube couple of days ago. So the total system consists of inbuilt battery, so you have to just charge it with the help of power bank or mobile charger and it will give a good backup. So however, I have installed 2400 mAh battery and it gives about, I have checked, about 10 to 12 hours it will give, no issue. So let's play it. Push button. After pushing the power switch, it will turn on. It has lot of sequence and you can change it by pressing the button. So I think it is now looking amazing. This type of product can be purchased from Amazon or Flipkart also, there is no issue. But however, if you want to build it by yourself, you can check my previous videos, so it will help you to make this type of product by yourself. So let's check it how it works. You can carry this type of equipment at any places, in party or any area. So it also consists of a computer core, a Arduino, and you can add lot of extra sequence in it with the help of computer. So as I have stated earlier, this equipment can be installed at any metal surface as magnet is there. And it is very portable. You can see it here. I'm fixing it with a metal surface and you can see it sticked, no issue. Even you can use this type of view meter during the time of gaming. Or connecting every time with power supply, it is not so better to use. So it must be portable enough, and I have used it in gaming also, and it gives an amazing feeling. And I think all of you have liked this video. Please subscribe to S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.